We spoke earlier about possessive pronouns like mine, his, their, and so on. And in this video, I want to speak about one very particular possessive pronoun, a reflexive possessive pronoun, sin or si, sit, sine in its other forms. Okay, so let me start with examples. So we have Ståle. Ståle is a person, a guy, and he says, Jeg vil selge huset mitt. I want to sell my house. Well, that's all right. That's pretty straightforward. Jeg, the subject, huset mitt. So the house belongs to the subject. That's very easy. But if we want to tell about Ståle, what we are going to say is Han vil selge huset sitt. You see, since the house belongs to the subject of the sentence, we have to use the reflexive possessive pronoun. Because if I say Ståle selger huset hans, well, that will mean a different thing. You see, if I say Ståle selger huset hans, that will be a house that belongs to another person. Whereas Ståle selger huset sitt, that means that Ståle owns the house. So the house belongs to the subject of this sentence. Ståle sier, Jeg glad I kona mi. When we tell about Ståle, we have to say, Han glad I kona si. Again, you see, kona, the object of the sentence, technically belongs to the subject of the sentence, han. So that's why we have to use the reflexive possessive pronoun. So saying that Ståle glad I kona si is not the same as saying Ståle glad I kona hans. Again, in the first case, the object belongs to the subject. Ståle glad I kona si. So Ståle has a wife and he loves her. Very nice. In the second case, you see, Ståle glad I kona hans, but hans will be someone else's. Well, it's a different situation. And some more examples. Maria. Maria sier, Jeg savner barna mine. I miss my children. I miss, and the children are mine. Right? If we tell about Maria, we say, Hun savner barna sine. She misses her own children. So the children belong to her in this sentence. Jeg får besøk av broren min. Hun får besøk av broren sin. And you see, if barna is plural, it goes together with mine. So, well, for the reflexive possessive pronoun, it will be sine. So we just change one letter. Min, broren min, well, it becomes broren sin. So it's just the same form. Jeg ringer mora mi. I ring my mother. Mora mi, well, guess what? Hun ringer mora si. So we just change mi to si. Jeg pynter huset mitt til jul. Hun pynter huset sitt til jul. So, masculine form of the reflexive possessive pronoun is sin, broren sin, feminine mora si, neutral huset sitt, and plural barna sine. So just as min, mi, mitt, mine. And the last example, Per og Sara. Per og Sara sier, Vi liker oss I huset vårt. We like it in our own house. If we tell about them, vi forteller om Per og Sara. De liker seg I huset sitt. Again, we cannot say I huset deres here, because huset deres will be someone else's house. Vi får besøk av våre venner. De får besøk av sine venner. Vi glad I dattera vår. De glad I dattera si. Vi liker å kjøre vår nye bil. De liker å kjøre sin nye bil. So, just the same. So you see, when the object of the sentence belongs to the subject of the sentence, and the subject is either han, hun, or de, then we have to use the reflexive possessive pronoun. But when the object doesn't belong to the subject, well, then we can use hans, hennes, or deres.